many people's birthday is very important. They're getting gifts on that day, they are born that day, and they want to eat birthday cake together. For me, isn't that special? It's nothing different, just the day I was born. I feel nothing different today. It's not like, wow, I become 16, I feel directly something is changed. I'm getting older and I have to be more mature and acting more like an adult now. So I got gifts. I showed it in my last episode of Vlogmas. If you didn't watch it, look at my Pandora brand. This stone is new, and this one, and this is the newest from the Christmas collection. I am so happy about it. I really had no idea what to wish, so my parents bought things for me. And we have this that I'm going to try out today because I have no idea how to use this. I have no idea what this does to my face, but I'm very excited to try it out. And I'm going to do a little bit of burgundy and gold makeup today, so without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start off with Beiges makeup. Now I'm starting with this first primer. This is a Porefessional from Benefit. My parents are now out. I film me every time they are out makeup videos, and they asked me if I want birthday cake. I said no. If I want to get fat from cake, I can eat it any day, and it's not really special. I have to eat it on birthday, and birthday cake tastes nothing special anyway. How do you guys like to celebrating your birthday? Let me know in the comments. Okay, now we are using the pomegranate cushion. I'm very happy on my birthday when my parents are there and we're celebrating together and we're a happy family. For me, it's not really important on birthdays like getting gifts or birthday cake. It's important that the family is together and everyone is happy and healthy. And so it is on Christmas. On Christmas, the important thing is not the food or the gifts. It's that the family is together to celebrating it. Forehead all on my face, just lightly. I don't want to wear heavy makeup, so I'm not going to put on concealer or other stuff. Just this and then a layer of powder. The Canmake Marshmallow finish powder. I have a mirror behind me so I can see now better because my camera is not flip screen. So I don't know many times when I'm filming it's not focusing or not. So I have a mirror behind me now that I can watch sometimes. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to do my eyebrows and then my eyes. Just a quick makeup because I have no idea when my parents come back. But I want to look good for my birthday. So I'm going to starting off with my eyes. All I need is two eyeshadows. We have this one, it's a burgundy color from Etude house. It's called Red 302, RD302. And then we have a gold one. This one is Beige 105, BE105. And that's the two color I need for do the eye look today. So I'm going to starting off with the eye look. I'm going to take a brush like this and use first the burgundy color. It looks really pretty. I'm dipping a little bit of this, putting it on my eyelid and crease until I get the color I want. Last night I started watching a new Chinese TV show, and it's from a Chinese actor I really like, that's why I started watching it. There's rumors say that, actually maybe facts, maybe rumors, that 80% of all the Chinese TV shows are copied from Korean TV shows. But the story is about a girl on the first episode. She's a designer. She came to Yunnan. This is a village where people are still doing things on the traditional way. There's Chinese traditional culture and stuff, and there's Chinese who still making this kind of traditional clothes. She saw a piece of clothes she really liked and she wished the guy sells to her. But what she not noticed that guy's a kidnapper, a smuggler, and he didn't human. So he catched her, kidnapped her. But luckily on that day there was a group of military people who got the mission that they have to save people who got kidnapped and go to that place and catch those smugglers and dealers. So they catch the kidnappers, and one guy saved her, and this guy carried her because she got injured on the leg. He protected her, and she was like, he's my hero. And then later he didn't left her his name, and he had this green paint on his face, so she didn't know who she was, and they separated. And then miraculously they met in the same city again. It's his hometown. Originally he come from a rich family, and his family doing clothes business. They are clothes factories. He didn't want to take over his family's business, so he joined the military. Normally his brother was the CEO of the company, but his brother was... People put a trap on him and he died. He knows the brother didn't die on accident. The car fell into the river or lake and the whole car was sinking and the brother drowned in it. But he knows his brother never drinks, So he knows his brother didn't drive into the lake, and he knows someone set a trap on his family, so he wanted to revenge, and he's taking over his family's factories and business. And luckily he didn't know anything about clothes or anything like this, so he needed help. And he met this designer lady again. They did things together, and then he decided he's going to hire her, and they started a romantic scene together. In China, people really like when the boss fall in love with worker, but that's not logical because office romance is not good, and you shouldn't have romantic relationship with your colleague. But I like the show so far. I watched 10 episodes. I think that's about it on this side. I'm not very good at blending, so I take more away from this side. Too much talking, not so much makeup, and now I messed this eye up, I think, a little bit. But it's okay, we are going to cover that up, so. Next, I'm going to use this color, the BE105. It's a golden beige shimmery color. I hope you can see it. And I'm going to put it on my eyelid. I think burgundy and gold is a very nice color mix. I have my Sephora Geometry palette, the blockbuster palette, for 2 years now, and I received it on my 14th birthday. It was the first time I wearing makeup, and it was also my first adult makeup palette, but it's not good to use expired makeup, so I threw it away, and I'm going to start over. First, I will try to finish all the makeup I have, and then I'm going to buy new makeup. I have an obsession for makeup. I think that looks decent, and I'm going to add a little bit on the outer corner to make it more darker, about here. And then we're going to add a little bit of eyeliner. This is a Tonymoly gel eyeliner. It's very famous. I didn't bought it. A friend bought it, and she wasn't so good with eyeliner, so she gave it to me as a gift. And I tried it, and I like it so far. I'm going to naturally wear it out a little bit. I'm not so good at eyeliner either, but training makes you better. And I like it so far. I'm going to curl in my lashes and put on mascara. It's raining outside, so I have to put on waterproof mascara in case we go out and I don't want to be a panda. This is a Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. Hold the curl. My eyelashes look like this now. I really like it. Mascara is a must-have. I curl them a little bit, and because it's waterproof, it's gonna hold the curl. And I put it on my bottom lashes too. Now it's time for the part I've been waiting for. I'm going to use powders now, and this is the Beige Healthy Glow Luminous Multicolor Powder in medium. I have no idea what that is. Is this a bronzer with highlighter and blush? I'm not sure, but it looks like this, and I'm going to try it out. This is a brush that comes with it. It looks really pretty and luxurious, as it's called. I'm going to sweep a little bit of this. It's a bronzer with a sheen in it. It feels really comfortable. They're not really shimmery, they're not glittery. It just gives you a nice natural sheen in a bronzer. And now I'm going to use blush. I really like the powder. It gives you a natural bronze with a sheen in it, and it smells really good. It smells like the Chanel Blue Serum. And now I'm going to use blush. I'm going to use my Nars Outlaw blush. It's what my dad bought from Hong Kong, and I really love the color. It looks like this. I think it matches well with the makeup today. Taking the Sephora blush brush. I really like the look today. It's very colorful, and it's not even heavy makeup. It's very light. Only put a little bit of stuff on it. I'm very happy. So now comes To the last step, lipstick. I'm really bad at matching lipstick with a makeup look. Sometimes it looks too much. And I had 3 choices. This 2 is from YSL, this one is from Maybelline. The 2 from YSL are shiny colors. This one is a natural coral color. It looks like this. And then the other one is a beautiful girlish pink color. They call it the man killer here in China. It's number 12. The coral light pink one was number 15. And then I have the choice of the Maybelline Matte Metallics in number 60 Fire Quartz. So here are the 3 colors. Which one should I go with? The top one is a metallic one from Maybelline, middle one is number 15 from YSL, and bottom one is number 12, the man killer. I think I'm afraid to use this one because it's such a strong pink and it's metallic. And then we have the natural one. I don't want to go natural. Man killer? Which one you think is better for me? I go with the top one. Today's birthday we go all out with metallic. Matches well, it's a good choice. Sometimes I put the mirror so up and then the camera will focus on the mirror but not me, and I have to avoid these mistakes. Even so, I do it unintentionally every time I put it up to look at me, but I have to stop doing this. And this is the look today. I am very happy. Today is my birthday. I grew up, I learned many things, and I'm very grateful for everything that happened to me. I'm very thankful for you guys and for my parents and for everything around me. Today is a happy day and I'm going to celebrate with my parents and friends. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy this look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please thumb up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you have a great, amazing day. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!